Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Kawasaki ZX1400. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 8,980 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire this bike would fail for missing passenger footrests, but in New York this is not a problem. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the fuel tank, and a scratch on the side cover. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Brock's Performance exhaust, an aftermarket lever, frame sliders, tinted windscreen, a rear fender eliminator kit, and an auxiliary LED light kit. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.